Kia ora, and welcome to Heapy's Tips and Tricks. My name is Heather Rentz, and I'm the Community Development Manager at Hāpara. Today we're going to look at a digital citizenship workspace for grades or years 6 to 8. It can also be adapted to other grades to best suit your needs. We're going to start by looking at the description of the workspace, which is located in the top left-hand corner. In this description, you will find everything that this workspace covers, including the ISTE standards. This workspace was created by Hāpara. We have different groups created. We have grade 6, grade 7, grade 8, a teacher group, and a parents and guardians group. Right now, by default, we're on all groups, but as I switch through the groups, on grade 6, you're going to notice that there are different cards and activities for each grade. Grade 7, grade 8, and then different cards for teachers and parents and guardians. What we're looking at right now is a public workspace. And what that means is it just basically works as a website. You can still go in and you can look at all of the activities, you can go to all the links, and you can make copies of anything that you need to have. I can still open up all the Google Docs, slides, or any of the activities that are in here, and I can watch any of the videos. If you are a Hāpara Workspace subscriber for your school or district, you'll notice that you'll have two buttons at the top, Open and Copy. If you don't see them, then you're likely not a Hāpara subscriber, or you need to make sure that you are signed into your teacher account. I'm going to make a copy of this workspace, and what it's going to do is it's going to put a copy in Owned by Me in the workspace section of my Hāpara teacher dashboard. And that way I will have access to this to edit, and that way I can add information, take information out, or change any of the headings or make new groups. As this is copying, you may notice that sometimes it takes a little bit of a longer time. It depends on how much content is inside of the workspace. It could be really big because of videos or big slide decks or anything that you have in it. And it can also depend on the speed of your internet and the age of your device. So I'm going to stop the copying process and have it run in the background, and then we'll jump into that. While we're waiting, we'll just go through and we'll look at some of the sections. So section 1 has all the tips, and then we dive into digital literacy, digital commerce, digital communication, digital law, digital etiquette, digital rights and responsibilities, digital health and wellness, digital security and privacy. And then finally, we have the teacher-only extending resources. I want you to pay attention to this very last card. It is a Google form. If you and your learners complete this workspace together, please open this form and complete it. We would love to send you a set of digital citizenship stickers. You don't need to complete this in the third week of October, which is officially Digital Citizenship Week. You can do this at any time throughout the year. Digital citizenship can be interwoven throughout all of your courses at any time. Going back up to the top, because I am a Hāpara Workspace subscriber, I'm going to go to app.hāpara.com, and I'm going to go into my workspace, and what I'll see there is my copy. So now it says copy beside it. I can click on the title and enter and edit. You're going to see that it looks very similar, but now we have all these plus buttons where I can customize my workspace. I can add cards, I can edit cards by changing the color, or I can go in and I can upload various things. So I can upload from my computer, my Google Drive, or I can add a link. I can also go in and I can add a doc, a sheet, a slide, or even a Google drawing for a check your understanding or an exit quiz or just something that I've thought about on the go. All of the groups are fully customizable, and you can add your students at any time, and students can belong to multiple groups. This workspace is interactive in the fact that it contains so many different kinds of activities for your students. There are discussion prompts, there's Google Docs with activities within them. I've seen Google Sheets in here, there's Google Drawings, there's Google Slides, and there's videos for you. Please take a moment and explore this workspace. If you have any questions, please know that you can always reach out to us in the Hāpara community at community.hāpara.com, or you can email us at professionallearning@hāpara.com. Thanks for watching.